Alright, where are you going to put it?
I'm actually sitting in a blind in Arkansas right now, Cameron's filming ducks. It's the same two damn hens. Oh wow. Here they come. You gonna kill him? There's a drake. That's a drake.
On footage.
Here they come.
Here they come. They're so funny.
Oh, teal. He's a fool shooting teal, but it's they're going to come in. More. Another group coming in.
Right on it.
Yep. Look at all these teals.
Look at these teals. There's 3 groups at one time. 4.
5, 6.
Right here, right here.
See the big duck. See the big duck. There's a big duck. There's a big duck right there, mallard.
I didn't see any mallards in there.
No, there's
Another group.
Watch over your back right.
Right, here, right in front of you. Right in front of you, guys. In your decoy.
Yeah, but look at this.
Look at this one. Look at this one.
I'm just having fun watching.
Look at. Can you get all these?
I'm trying.
You need a wider lens.
Yes.
Don't be so shaky.
Hey, you get your camera on safety. Look at all these teal, Don.
Yeah, they're dropping. I'm gonna get the face.
Hey, cool. Right there. There you go, boys. Let's take some. Oh, what a shot! Fetch.
Yeah, I'm gonna go round some up.
Okay, that's some great shooting, fellas. Good shot, Don.
Did you get that, Cam?
Yeah. Got the whole thing. Who got that one? Eric? Eric got that one. Ah, I missed. That was...
Yeah.
Little water, little water. Better take them.
There's another group out front.
Good grief.
Ah, great shot.
Woo! I could tell it was a drake.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, somebody kill one of these.
Here you go. Oh, sitting in the...
Two! Oh, I can't believe that. Never shoot them like
More
that.
heavy D, it's heavy 0. He put him in the water.
I might keep this guy here might go further out. Yeah, they're too close to attention.
Man, he took one right through the skull and he's alive.
Wow.
In, all the way.
Let them decoy for us. Groups from every angle.
Let them all hit.
See how many we can land.
There's one sitting out there now.
They're all gonna hit.
I'm gonna see if I can get behind one.
That's so awesome. Hey, here's 4 bigs out front. Coming right over the trees there. Kill him?
No.
They can overgive like that.
I ain't believe
We should have killed them too.
No,
right there.
you were right. That's just a
Let
bad
these
call.
pass, see if they'll come back.
Just a bad call on my part. I'm sorry.
Do you remember when we first met? I sure do. It was sometime in early September. Well, you were lazy about it. You made me wait around. I was so crazy about it.